Okay, good evening, Dipto.
Good evening.
Okay, thank you. Today, I wish to give you a kind of very beautiful debated topic.
Mhm.
I don't know that you have already got it common or not, something like that. I don't know. But whatever I am giving to you, you didn't have any kinds of option to change it. Okay, you have to accept that kinds of topic, right? So, listen, my debated topic that what exactly I talking to you. The debated topic is that uh, while teaching the English language, the teachers should rectify the grammatical mistakes to the students, or they should allow the students to continue to speak in English. While teaching English language, the teacher should rectify the grammatical mistake for the students, or the teachers should allow the students to continue.
Plus,
While teaching English language, the teachers should allow the students to rectify the grammatical mistake, or the teacher would allow the students to continue the English speaking. At the end of the class or at the end of the speech, the teacher should rectify it. The grammatical mistakes should rectify it. So what's your opinion? Do you understand it properly?
I understand when my opinion is the teacher should.
You have to raise your volume a little loud,
Okay,
and look at the camera.
but my opinion,
More louder.
but my opinion is to the teacher should rectify the
Grammatical mistakes.
grammatical mistakes because if the thought I will correct it in last, they can forward it. That's why it is wrong for means not good for children and the teacher. If the teacher do this,
Little loud.
if the teacher do this,
Does this?
does this, thus children do not can speak in English.
Do not. The
Means
children can't.
didn't can't
The children can't.
the children can't know how to speak English, and if when the teacher doing video or anything, that time the student do mistakes in grammatical, that time the teacher should not rectify the mistakes because that time the video will be not good, looking bad. That's why the teacher do not rectify the mistakes that time. Otherwise, they should rectify the mistakes. This is my opinion. And what is your opinion for this? I know.
Okay, Dipto, you told it something exaggerate way, so it's difficult for me to get the synopsis that what exactly you have already told you. So therefore, I would like to hear your speech for a second time. Okay, so you should have to continue the speech. I just want to I just want to hear from you. What's the nutshell? What's the main thing? The gist of your concept. Okay, thank you.
I tell the teacher should correct that time when the student was practicing, because if the teacher thought I will correct it before, I mean
After the speech. After the
after the
speech.
speech, it, the teacher will forgot, but
Forget. We'll forget.
forget.
Yes.
But when the teacher will be doing videos or anything, that time if the children should means children do mistakes in grammatical,
Yes.
that time the teacher do not be do means
The teacher
not
should,
correct should not
shouldn't.
correct the speech, because that time if she correct the speech.
Correct. Rectifies the speech.
Rectifies the speech. That time the video will be bad, looking bad and other. And but that time the teacher should correct the mistakes when the student will practice. If she didn't correct, so the children learn, can't understand the mistakes, and it will be repeating that mistakes. This is my
Mistakes.
opinion.
Okay. Sure. Okay. Now,
I have no question.
okay, Dipta, you have told your individual kinds of concept, but I would wish to ask you one query to you. Like, therefore, I think that you have to be very mindful to hear my kinds of words, that what exactly I am talking to you. And before that, I would wish to tell one kinds of experiences regarding your thoughts. Okay, so what's the experience you listen that exactly? Other than one advantage as well as the disadvantages are also concerns. Is also concerned. So what's the advantage? If the teacher rectifies that kinds of grammatical mistakes in the middle of the speech, when the students will be continuing, so what will happen? The students may be dislinked by his thoughts, that what exactly he was trying to explain, he could not able to fulfill his thoughts. As a consequence, what will happen? He may forget it. And second, the advantage is that, sorry, the if the speech rectified, if the teacher rectifies the speech at the end of the speech of the students, then what would happen? The students would not. So what do you think? You had that kinds of two concepts. So what do you think about that kinds of research? And how would you like to conclude your opinion regarding that particular kinds of facts? So what do you think the teachers would have to ultimately? What should the teacher be done? The teacher should have to rectify that kinds of grammatical mistakes at the end of the speech, or the
Not,
not? Okay, why?
not because,
Loudly. You have to raise your volume.
not because
Look at the camera. Yes.
if the teacher try to rectify,
Tries.
tries to rectify the mistake in the last of the speech, that time the the teacher forgot it.
Forgets.
Probably it forgot.
Forgets.
Forgot. That's why my opinion
Forgets.
is.
Yes.
That's why teacher should rectify it
Rectify.
that time.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Diptur. So next we will also be cheered up with the different kinds of numerous kinds of debate next class. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice day.